Welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ102629. And these are our Hellcat-Style 2021 Hellcat-Style fender flares. And they're for a Dodge Durango GT and RT fitting the 2014 to 2025 models. Now let's go ahead and get them opened up so you can get a better look at them. Now, these are in our gloss black finish, just like the rest of our parts. And they're also a fairly simple install whenever installing them. Now on the back here, you'll see some clip slots. Now, on your factory OEM ones, you'll want to go ahead and remove those clips to insert them in here to install these. Then you'll also have these extra tabs on the side that'll end up snapping in to the fender flare themselves. Now, each one of these is labeled on the inside on where it will end up aligning on the car. So this one is 003L and it's for the front fender. And if I open another one of these, it'll say something different. Now, each of these are numbered differently and they start at 3 and go all the way to 6. So you'll have 3, 4, 5, 6, and that makes the full set. This one's 004R, which means it's on the right side, and this is also for the front fender flare. Then as we move down the line, we should have 5 and 6 as well. Now each of these is a little bit different because of where it aligns on the car. So I see here, this one has a little tab where it inserts into the back, into the bumper. And this one is 005L, and this is for the rear fender, which just leaves us with 006 left. And this one should also be for the rear. And pretty much all of these are the same way. You'll have these clip insert slots, then you'll have some tabs which actually snap into your fender itself, and then you'll have some holes on the inside where you can mount your wheel liner and also secure the fender flare itself to the vehicle. Now, if you want to see an install for this, make sure to go like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at vicrez.com. And if you want to see more videos like this, stay tuned for more. Peace.